Okay, so this would be a very quick lecture on publishing your agents and a demo part of it, right? So all you need to do is you need to go to your right project and where you have your agents running, and what you can do is you can pick the right agent. Like in this case, I'm picking my second agent. You might remember the one where we used code interpreter and we actually used the sales data, right? So if you want, you can make some changes as well, and you can just save it, right? And you can even test it as well, but before doing that, I would say you should publish it, right? Because we would like to see an endpoint of this agent, and so that we can utilize it outside the Foundry as well, right? That is the aim. So all you need to do is you need to click publish, and you can say publish updates, or if it's the first time you are going to do, just hit publish, right? And you can even take it to Teams. So basically that is what I was mentioning, that you can either take it to your Teams or Microsoft 365 Copilot as well. So let's just do a publish and publish update. You will be given a version, right? In your case, it might be a V1 or a V2. In my case, I've published several times, so I have this one. But the important thing to notice here is the endpoint that you get, right? So now you no longer need to go to the Foundry and do that. You will actually get a proper endpoint for your agent, right? If you want to use this agent, which is my second agent, in your Python code, you can just simply make use of this endpoint, right? You're also getting the tenant ID, the principal ID of agent identity. As I said, security and governance, very important. Every agent would be given an agent ID as well inside Microsoft Agent Entra ID. Right? So this is a new thing which is happening, which we call non-human identity. So your agent will be given an identity as well, right? So I think that's very important, and so we can even do a quick test as well, which is the product that made maximum sales, right? Because it's a sales data, I'm just checking which is the product that made maximum amount of sales, right? So my aim is that it should look at my sales data, right? The sales data.csv, and based on that it should come up. So yes, so it said the product that made highest amount of sales is camera with the total revenue of 242,215. Just keep that in mind, because in the next lecture what we'll do is we will try and use a curl command against this endpoint, because I want to show you guys the benefit of getting an endpoint, and then we should be able to see the same result. So don't go anywhere.